Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I'll talk about AOC and Port's Agon Pro PD49 OLED monitor. So friend, AOC's collaborative venture with Ports has given rise to Agon Pro PD49, a forthcoming display that recently surfaced on the Red Dot Award list and set to debut at CES 2024. This monitor primarily targets at hardcore gamer demographic and drawing design inspiration from the Porsche 911. The display boasts 49-inch OLED 5K screen with resolution of 5120 by 1440 and curvature of 1800R. Technical specifications include a 240Hz refresh rate, 5-megapixel web camera, and 8-watt stereo speaker. Additionally, another AOC monitor, the 34U3 Mini LED 34-inch model, is slated to make an appearance at CES, catering to professional users with its ultra-wide flag design, although further details remain disclosed. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.